calves in the chair. So for this one, we're going to use the strap, but in a different way, and of course the spanner. Simply lift this foot up and we're going to be doing this calf. So take the anchor strap around your body and then thread the hook end through the last loop. This then goes around your foot, and this is simply just a way to stop your foot going away from you as you put pressure on it. So we've clipped in there, and now, as you would on the floor, you don't have to flex your leg muscles to keep that from flipping off the end of your knee. Just a way to stop your ankle from going away from you. So you can do all the usual ways that you do it. Maybe don't get caught doing this one. So let's even that up. Go to the other side. So we're doing this leg, comes up here, strap around our waist, loop it through the final loop, come back and then clip this to wherever it's comfortable. I've actually clipped it onto the final loop there, which means now my leg's not going away from me, and then you're just free to relax this leg rather than having to keep it contracted, to keep it on your knee. So if you're in a meeting, keep talking. You're just doing your calves and soleus, of course. Of course, you can do this way. People might ask questions. There you have it. So unclip ourselves. There's a way that you can use the strap to do calves, and you don't have to go down to the floor.